Hello everyone, myself M.A. Mahant working in Computer Science and Engineering Department as an Assistant Professor in Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Today we are going to discuss the topic Functional Business Process. Learning outcomes are, at the end of this session, student will be able to describe business perspective on information system used in an organization, describe different functional business process used in an organization. Business perspective on information system. Information system is instrument for creating value to firms. Investment in information system result in superior returns. It increases the productivity and revenue of the organization. Information system provide information that helps manager making better decision and improve the execution of business process. So it added the value of information system. So information system added so many value added information to the businesses. Returns on information technology investment. See, investing in information technology does not guarantee of good returns. Considerably, variation in the returns a firm receive from the system investments. But maximum times we will be getting the good revenue after using the information system in our organization. So factors that cause the variation in returns, adopting right business model according to new technology that is suited for that organization. Complementary investments mean business processes, models, managements, behavior and culture for that organization. Most of the definitions, business process is nothing but the workflow of material, information and knowledge. Whatever the information flow from one department to other department in that organization. So that is, it is called as the workflow of material, information, knowledge. It is nothing but set of activities or steps. Means what, there will be raw material processing, then designing, then actually mechanism, tech tools, techniques are applied, and they are developing the product. So there is number of steps for developing the product. May be tied to functional area or be cross functional. So business process can be nothing but a collection of processes, or business may be a assets or liabilities. So here business process nothing but the collection of different activities to produce the product, and it is nothing but it is the part of the assets and liabilities. Information technology and business processes. So these are the two different parts. Information technology one part and the business process other part. Information technology enhances the business process in two main ways. It increases the efficiency of the organizations, means automation steps were manual. So here manual work should be increases converted into the automation of that organization. That's why it automatically increases the efficiency of every process in that organization. Then enabling internal new processes that are capable of transforming the business due to the change of flow of information, replace a sequential step to with parallel steps, eliminate delays in the decision making. So after using this information, it totally transform your business, because now the electronic data flow can be takes place from one department of that organization to the other department, and you can do the parallel operation. That's why the replace sequential steps with the parallel operation. You can do multitasking at a time. We eliminate the delays in decision making. So ready reports are automated analysis can be done and reports are available. So the management people will not be any delay for decision making. Functional business processes. See, in an organization, there are so many departments, and every department is belongs to some function. It performs some functionality. That's why the functional business processes. Just they are given some example that manufacturing and production. It will be assembling the product. Sales and marketing. Here we are identifying customer. Finance and accounting. Here we are creating financial statements. Human resources. Here we are hiring the employees. Now we are going to see one by one. Sales and marketing system. See, this functional concern include main functionality here: sales management, customer identification, market research, advertisement and promotion, pricing, new products. So here the example of this system is at operational level, different sales order, purchase order are processing. Price analysis is decided by middle level management of the product. Sales trend forecasting can be done by the senior management. The next one is manufacturing production system. This functional concern include managing production facilities, production goals, production material and scheduling. So example of these systems is machine control using operational management, production planning, this can be done by using middle level management, and facility location, this can be done by senior management. See, in manufacturing production, there will be actually developing the product. Here different mechanism, different recent tools, techniques, methodologies applied for sequence of steps, sequence of processes for developing the product. So this manufacturing production is the heart of the organization. So here whole operation is carried out onto the machine, lathe machine or CNC machine or any other machine. So here machine control is very important part that will be handled by the operational management. Production planning is also important part that is handled by middle level management, and facility location also handled by the senior management. Finance and accounting system. Functional concern include financial managing financial assets, cash, stock, etc., and capitalization of firms and managing firms' financial records. For example of system, account receivable, that can be done by the operational management, budgeting can be done by the middle level management, and profit planning can be done by the senior management. So how productivity can be increased, how profitability increased, that can be made by the senior management. Human resource system. See, functional concerns include identifying potential employees, maintaining employee records, creating programs to develop employee talents and skills. Examples of these systems are training and development done by the operational management, compensation analysis done by the middle level management, human resource planning done by the senior management. So here the hiring of employees, see, there is sequence of procedure, or there is procedure for hiring the employee of the organization. They will be putting their advertisement, then they will be scrutinizing their resumes, they are taking some aptitude test, then group discussion, technical test, then personal interview, then recruiting the people. So the good skilled people they will be hiring for the organization. So maximum experience and good skilled people, they are putting the effort for the organization. Now think and write. Now I'm going to ask the question to all the students. Pause the video and write the answer. Hiring employee is functional business process. Option A, human resource. Option B, sales and marketing. Option C, financial accounting. Option D, none of these. So pause the video and write the answer. So the correct answer is human resources. Hiring employee is human resources functional business process. System from a consultancy perspective. Transaction processing system supporting operational level of employees, management information system, decision support system supporting manager, executive support system supporting executives. Transaction supporting system perform and record daily routine transaction necessary to conduct business. For example, sales record, entry, payroll, shipping, allows manager to monitor status of operation, relations with the external environment, serve operational levels, serve predefined structured goals and decision making. Management information system serve middle level management, provide reports on firm's current performance based on data from TPS, that is transaction processing system, provide answers to routine questions with predefined procedure for answering them, typically have little analytical capability. Decision support system serve middle level management, support non-routine decision making. For example, what is the impact on production schedule if December sales doubled? Often use external information as well as from transaction processing system and management information system. Model driven decision support system, the example of it is voyage estimating system. Data driven decision support system, the example is interest marketing analysis system. Business process implementation. In order to raise awareness among all the employees, the importance of this project management created a program and new offices implement and manage the transformation toward the process orientation. A successful implementation required that thousand of firms employee has to be trained and new software and newly defined processes. As a result, information system that defines and make visible uh, on manager desktop the important business process of the firm. These are the references. Thank you.